Cooking with Coot. We still working on breakfast this morning. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to do one of my favorites. Egg in a basket, just like they do at Cracker Barrel, except we don't have sourdough bread today. We're just gonna use plain old light bread, loaf bread. You can use any kind of bread as long as it's bread. That's all that matters. We got one of my biscuit cutters here. This is the medium one. That's the one in the middle. Not the big one, not the little one, the medium one. And we're gonna cut us out a hole right here. See that? So cut it out a hole all the way. Yeah, there we go. See, cut that hole out right there. So we got our skillet good and ready. Now they say, some people say not to use metal in a skillet. It is just fine as long as you're not going at it like a jackhammer and knocking holes in the pan and stuff. I mean, come on. I like it. I don't like that plastic stuff. That plastic stuff ain't good for you. It ain't. The cast iron skillet don't like it. Let me tell you what. Now, 1910 and 1915, 1916, when these cast iron skillets in the 50s and all them times, you think people were using plastic in their cast iron skillets? No, they were using forks and knives and all kinds of stuff. And so don't worry about it. Just don't scrape it real hard. You don't want to scrape it hard. You're just turning stuff over. My goodness, yeah, you can use that. So what we're gonna do? We're going to check and see how hot this pan is. And sometimes that's a little too hot. You don't want it to be jumping around like that. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna pull it over here out of the way. We're gonna leave that on medium low, and we're gonna pull this out of the way. All right. We got bacon grease in there. Bacon grease is what you use in a cast iron skillet. You can use butter and all that other kind of stuff if you want to, but your food won't be happy. All right? And what you want is happy food. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this right in here. We're gonna whack this on there, not on the side of the pan. See that? Get this drop right in there. Yeah. There we go, buddy. And then put this other little piece in there. Roll it around in that grease. Wow! Yeah, bud. All right, now we're gonna put it back on. Remember, eggs need to be cooked slow in bacon grease. That's what makes them happy. You don't want to rush eggs. If you rush eggs, you end up with a mess, okay? You end up with a mess. So what we do is we making our toast and we're making our over easy egg all at the same time. We multitasking, baby. That's what we do. We multitasking. Yeah, boys. You want to? You can roll this oil around. See how that oil's rolling around? We're gonna get it over here on this side first, and I'll show you what this. Oh, see that oil dripping on that right there? Boy, that makes that stuff happy. I mean, it does make them happy. Checking this is our little test piece right here. That's how we can see how brown are we getting. Let's see. Let me show it to you. See there? It ain't getting brown yet. It look brown, but that's just that bacon grease, all right? Don't worry about that bacon grease. It's good for you. Now we're gonna turn this skillet around so we get it heated up even all the way different places and stuff. Sometimes that's good to do. Let's take a peek. Ooh, yeah, it's ready. It's turned. So we're gonna get all the way under this. Now this one we're gonna flop fast. It's a fast flop. Okay? Here we go. Ready? Flop. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to stop and let me eat right now. I can't take it. This is my lovely assistant. This is Ace. He's the cleanup man. He comes and licks up all the bacon grease off the floor. Yeah, boy. That's my robo mop. You got these robo vacuums and stuff. I got a robo vacuum. His name is Ace. Yeah, boys. Now the skillet's getting a little dry right there. If your skillet gets dry, it might try to stick on you. You see this stuff right here, look, it just comes right off. I mean, I ain't scraping hard. Take another peek here, let's see. Oh yeah, we doing something there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hear that sizzle? Let's check this little piece there. Yeah, I wouldn't advise you using your fingers like that if you like them. Because you do that much, you get to where you can't feel nothing no more, okay? So that's about where I am. So just be careful with that. Look at that. I'm telling you, Cracker Barrel ought to hire me to do this for them. I'm telling you. No, they can't afford me. Anyway, You put that right out there on that and take this little piece right here and put it on the side. Woo-wee! Y'all, that's good right there. And look at that cast iron skillet. It's so clean right now, you don't even have to wash it. So yeah, you can cook an egg. You do an egg in a basket right there. And have yourself a good breakfast with that and a piece of bacon. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all have a good day. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, don't forget to mash the subscribe and the like button. I'd appreciate it. And tell all your friends to watch Cooking with Coot. I'll teach them how to make their food happy.